Hi, welcome to our channel. Viewers, can anybody tell me that this number will be exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? Can anybody tell me without using calculator or any device? So, today I will tell you about this idea that how a given number is divisible by a single digit, that is 2, 3, 4 and so on. So keep watching this video till the end. So at first we will learn that which number will be exactly divisible by 2. Divisibility by 2. Look at here. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8, that number will be exactly divisible by 2. For example, if I have a large number 3, 7, 4, 0, 0, 7, 8 and at the last digit there is 0, so the number will be exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible we means that there will be no fractional or decimal part. Okay, so if at the last digit there is 2, 4, 6 and 8, that number will be exactly divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. Which number will be exactly divisible by 3? Viewers, if the sum of the digits divisible by 3, that number will be exactly divisible by 3. For example, if we have a number 2, 8 and 3 and 5. Now the sum of these number is 2, 8, 10, 13 or 5, 18. The sum is equal to 18 and 18 is exactly divisible by 3. So this number is exactly divisible by 3. So the trick is here is that if the sum of these digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number, that is 2835, will be exactly divisible by 3. Taking another example, that is 207. Now the sum of the digits 2, 0 and 7, that is equal to 9 and 9 is exactly divisible by 3. So this 207 is exactly divisible by 3. Which number will be divisible by 4? If the last two digits divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. For example, if we have a number 3, 7, 8 and 0, 4, the last two digits makes 4. So this number is divisible by 4 because the last two digits divisible by 4. If on the last two digits there are 24, this 24 is exactly divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. Try it using your calculator. Okay, if on the last two digits there are numbers, that is 3, 7, 9, 4, 6 and 2, 8, if a lot of numbers are there, this one is divisible by 4 because the last two digit is 28 and 28 is exactly divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. 5. Which number will be divisible by 5? If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. For example, 50. The last digit is 0, so 50 is divisible by 5. 65. 65 is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, the number will be exactly divisible by 5. If we take a larger number, that is 3, 7, 4, 6 and 0, this number is exactly divisible by 5. Check it. If we place 5 on the last digit, then again it is divisible by 5. 6. Which number will be divisible by 6? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. That is, if the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and the sum of the digits divisible by 3, then that number will be exactly divisible by 6. For example, if we take any number 2, 3, 4 and 9 and 1 and 2. Now the last digit is even number. It means that the whole number is divisible by 2. And look at the sum, that is 5, 9, 10, 12. And 12 is also divisible, the sum is also divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and by 3. It means that the whole number will be exactly divisible by 6. Number 7. This one is tricky one. Look at the trick for number 7. Double the last digit. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining. Subtract from remaining number. For example, if we have a number 203, the first thing is that double this 3, which become 6, and subtract 8 from the remaining. The remaining number is 20. So subtract the double of 3, which is 6, that is equal to 14. Now if the answer is 0 or divisible by 7, then this whole number will be divisible by 7. Now look at this one. This is 14 and 14 is divisible by 7. So 203 is divisible by 7. Check it. So the idea for divisibility of 7 is that just double the last digit, subtract 8 from the remaining, which is 20. So the double of 3 is 6. Subtract it from 20, it is 14. Now 14 is divisible by 7, so 203 is divisible by 7. For number 8, which number will be divisible by 8? If the last 3 digits divisible by 8, the whole number will be divisible by 8. For example, the number 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 120. The last 3 digits makes a number 120 and 120 is divisible by 8. Check it. And if this last 3 digits divisible by 8, the whole number will be divisible by 8. Try it and check it, either the whole number is divisible by 8 or not. The whole number will be divisible by 8. Next, if we have a number 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 8. Now the last 3 digits divisible by 8, so the whole number is divisible by 8. Number 9. A number will be divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits divisible by 9. This trick is similar just like the number 3, but their divisibility by 3 and here is the divisibility by 9. Consider any number that is 2, 1, 6, 3 and 6. What is the sum of these digits? 2, 1, 3, 9, 12 and 18. The sum is 18. If 18 is divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. 18 is exactly divisible by 9, so 21,636 is divisible by 9. This is a simple trick for 9. Any number will be divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. If we have a number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 9, 3, 2, 6, 7 and the last digit is 0. So without using calculator you can say that the whole number is exactly divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, that number will be divisible by 10. Look at for the number 11. If the difference of the sum of the digits in odd places and the sum of the digits on even places is either divisible by 11 or 0, then the number will be exactly divisible by 11. Listen again. If we have a number and we take the sum of the digit on odd places and the sum of the digits on even places, that is we have 4-digit number 4059. Now adding the sum of the digits on odd places, that is number 1 and number 3rd, taking the sum of these two which is 9 and taking the sum of the digits on even places, that is 2 and 4, taking the sum which is 9. Now the difference between these two, if it is 0 or 11, if it is 0 or 11, then that number will be exactly divisible by 11, otherwise it will be not divisible by 11. Number 12, and this is the last number. A number will be divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. That is, the sum of the digits of the number will be divisible by 3, so that number will be divisible by 3. And if the last 2 digits divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. So it means if a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, that number will be divisible by 12. And the example for this number will be 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Now taking the sum of these numbers, that is 7, 12, 13 and 15. So 15 is exactly divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Again, look at the last 2 digits. That is 12 and 12 is divisible by 4. It means that this number is divisible by 3 also by 4. So the number will be exactly divisible by 12. This was all about the numbers divisibility. For more videos, subscribe our channel to watch our new video. Thank you for watching us.